So here's the cafe au lait. It's the the famous cafe au lait. Everyone loves it. It's really like, you know, this like light blush color that brides love to have in their bouquet and florists love to work with. So sometimes I like to harvest them really like fully open. Sometimes I like to have some that are a little bit more close. Again, when you floral design, it could be interesting to be thinking about the different like texture that are going on in your bouquet. So one is all the imperfection one are actually sometimes really interesting because they had like a dimension to what you're doing. Perfectly imperfect.